So, if we see in last 2 years, health insurance premium has shown a growth of more than 30%, but there is no addition in number of insurers. That is same. So, which is a worrying factor for insurance companies, standalone health insurers. One of the reason is that that health insurance premium is increasing manifold due to medical inflation, due to the cost of hospitalization, etc. So, insurance companies are discussing cohort-based insurance pricing, under which if somebody is taking a regular claims, they will end up paying more claims, and the new entrants or no claimants, fresh insurance policy holders or no claimants, they will get the benefit of cohort based pricing. So loading on them will be minimal, but those who are taking regular claims, they will end up paying more premium. So as per our sources, there will be a bucket of the loading factor. So bucket will be around, it will be of a category that there is no claim of 50%, claim of 100%, claim of 200%. So as per the claim experience, the loading will be there, and 70% of the policy holders of overall insurance space, of overall health insurance policies, will get benefit of this cohort-based pricing. So discussions is going on. IRDA sought suggestion from insurance companies. Insurance companies are also working on the data. The purpose is that only that those who are new to the insurer, or those who are paying premium for many years, they should not be penalized. And those who are taking regular claims, they will have to pay more as per the loading category they will fall in. So this is a very big move as far as health insurance space is related. So one argument on this is that senior citizen will end up paying more premium, or they will be out of the health insurance gambit. But as per my discussion with insurers, senior citizen will not get out from this. They will also get benefited, because we have seen that for senior citizen, premium is increasingly going up. But after this cohort-based pricing, senior citizen will also get a benefit of health insurance policy.